What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so. It just takes a second, really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at fixing a SonicWall NetExtender error where it reads, another version of SonicWall NetExtender has been detected on your system. Please uninstall it before this installation. If you ran some Windows updates, installed a feature update, performed an OS upgrade, or had a corrupted install or uninstall of the software, you may see this error. Here are a few things you can do. First, try Revo Uninstaller. Just open the app and run the uninstall to see if that resolves the issue. Next, try using the NetExtender cleanup tool from the SonicWall vendor. I'll put this link in the description. Go to this link and download the app. It will be double nested in a zip file and a 7-zip. You might need 7-zip app to extract. Run as admin. After that, if you're still seeing errors running your MSI installer for SonicWall NetExtender, try downloading and installing an earlier version. You can do that by going to your My SonicWall account. Under Download Center, Product Line, search for NetExtender, and you'll see all the available versions to download. Other methods for downloading the SonicWall NetExtender installer file are to go to the LAN or WAN interface that you have access to, log in, and click here to download NetExtender client. Or you can go to the SonicWall NetExtender vendor site, which I'll put this link in the description, and search for your 64-bit or 32-bit MSI or 64-bit and 32-bit executable. Rerun your installers and see if your issue is now resolved. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe if you've not done so. Let me know if this resolved your issue installing SonicWall NetExtender. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.